So I'm at my one bedroom listing in Soho, and I just thought I would take a quick second to do a video that just sort of details the AI kitchen that I created for this listing, and people seem to love it. I mean, it's different. I'll show you the before right here, and this is the after. We'll go through it, and I want to go through piece by piece to see how inexpensive it really was to change this kitchen into something that was completely different. And putting it on the market, it shows as almost like a brand new kitchen. And people really seem to like something that's different, that's not a white box. It doesn't look like the wood cabinets you see at Home Depot. And it just elevates it a little bit from the mundaneness of going to look at apartments, and you're gonna go, oh, this kitchen's different. And that's always the reaction I get when I show this apartment, and people seem to be into it. Listen, it's not gonna be for everybody, but you just can't please everybody. So I feel like making a choice is really worth it in the long run. Make a choice. Do something different. So let's go through the kitchen. This is a very small kitchen. It is a really small footprint. Again, it's a New York City apartment. This is a one-bedroom apartment. This kitchen, we didn't change the footprint. We did not change where the appliances are, but we did some big choices. Now the AI render, we're pretty close to what they did. I mean, I like the rendering so much that I basically copied it as close as I could. And I think we achieved pretty similar results. We did a new lighting fixture in the ceiling. That is from Amazon. We did new flooring. That was Home Depot tile. This is a vinyl tile. It is a 1 foot by 2 foot tile that we sort of laid in a brick layer pattern. Cabinets were painted this sort of green color. And then we did these brass handles and knobs on the lower part to follow what our AI did. And at Home Depot, we got this backsplash tile and we ran that all the way across the whole space behind the stove and wrap around there. We also did a brand new microwave because the old one was on its last legs. And then we just updated all the electrical outlets with GFCI. There used to be an outlet here, but that was weird because it's actually not legal to have an outlet so close to water. So we moved that outlet up inside the cabinet, and that's where the under cabinet lighting is plugged in. And we did a really inexpensive LED tape that just runs under there. Very simple. We use dishwasher drawers, and these are Fisher and Paykel dishwasher drawers. People are usually surprised and curious about a drawer dishwasher, but I love them. I prefer these. You can run either or, so you basically have two little dishwashers. You can run them at the same time or independently. It's great. So that entire renovation, floor, painting the cabinets, new handles, a backsplash, LED lighting, new light fixture up there, that changed this entire kitchen. I'll put the grand total on screen for what everything cost so you can see how inexpensively you could really make over your entire kitchen. It's not that complicated, but the impact is really huge. Everybody can't believe that it's the same kitchen. AI, it's here, like it or not.